In this video, we're diving into 10 of the most iconic synth sounds in industrial music. Then I'll try to recreate each one from scratch to see how close we can get. Trent Reznor wrote Head Like a Hole after touring in late '88 as a supporting act for Skinny Puppy. The track was produced by Reznor himself, with co-production from Flood and Keith LeBlanc. It's well known that Reznor used an Emax, Prophet VS, Oberheim Expander, and Minimoog for the whole Pretty Hate Machine album. For me, the standout element of that song is the bass line, which was created using the Minimoog, and here is the isolated track from the song. Every Day is Halloween was released in '84 by Wax Trax Records as the B-side to Ministry's comeback single. Written and produced by Al Jourgensen, it later appeared on the 12-inch singles. The track quickly became a cult anthem in the goth and industrial scene. They even made a metal version that just came out, and it's pretty good, to be honest. Not as good as the original, but it's pretty good. For me, again, the standout element of that song is the bass line. Testure is a track from Skinny Puppy's '88 album, and also released as a single in '89. The song became the band's most successful single, peaking at number 19 on the Billboard's chart. The bell-like sound that starts the track is incredibly catchy, and I think was made with an ESQ1. And the way the drums kick in right after immediately caught my attention. But for now, let's focus on that bell sound. Megalomaniac is a track by KMFDM, taken from their '97 album Symbols. And it's probably KMFDM's most iconic track. At least, that's the one that got me into KMFDM. The track also made its way into pop culture. It plays during the end credit of Mortal Kombat. And appears in the '98 video game Test Drive 5. No Shuffle is a track from Front 242's '84 album No Comment, released on Another Side label. The album is historically significant for featuring the first known reference to electronic body music, with the phrase electronic body music composed and produced on 8 tracks by Front 242. The track's driving drums, which I think could be the EMU drum emulator. I also love the way the FM bass is combined with an analog bass. They blend perfectly together. Embryodead is the title track from Wumpscut '97 album and is widely considered one of Rudy's most iconic works. For me, it's the distorted brass-like lead at the beginning that immediately grabs your attention. The sound also returns during the chorus. I love that sound. Nature's Revenge is a track from Skinny Puppy from their 1990 album Too Dark Park. One of my favorite songs, especially with that fretless bass part and the amazing synth bass, my favorite. According to Kevin Key, this bass was a mix of two layers, a Moog layer and a Pro 1 layer, all sampled into an Emax. Released as the second single from their 97 album Zenzort, Du Hast needs no introduction. It's by far one of the most iconic and recognizable industrial metal song of all time. There's a lot of great sounds in this song, like the looped sample in the intro. Do you recognize that sound? Or the instantly recognizable lead sound. But the sound that stands out to me the most is buried in the chorus. The choir sample originally found on floppy disks for the EPS-16 and the ESR-10 samplers. Gunman is one of Funker Vogt's most iconic tracks. Originally released on their 2000 album Machine Zeit on Metropolis Records, I've always loved early 2000s Funker Vogt. Their choruses are incredibly catchy, the bass lines are solid, and the vocals, that was the best Funker Vogt era. Rip. That lead synth at the beginning of Gunman makes the track instantly recognizable. Don't forget to check out my website for presets and samples. Check out also my Patreon to support my work. Thanks for watching. Stay industrial. Ciao.